I will talk on camera every single day until get fluent in English, guys. Welcome back to my challenge. Really biggest dream in life right now, because I'm English learner, and to improve my speaking, I've decided to challenge myself, really challenge. Talk every day and record this on camera and share with you on YouTube. Yeah, guys, by the way, how's your progress in learning English? Because I saw in comments a lot of times that you guys also decided to record yourself, film yourself and speaking, try to speak more on camera, because yeah, like support more challenge to follow with this. Alright, we're about to start our questions. What is the purpose of having this? This obvious fact that the main purpose of having any zoos, this entertainment people, this entertainment the citizens and the city, just to spend weekend, to go out with the family, with your friends, to demonstrate the animals by the kids, just to meet them with the environment, with nature, with different types of animals, different types of from the climate who lives here. But meanwhile, we can notice that all the zoos is not free to visit this. So at the same time, this is a business to making money for somewhere. I don't know, it depends on who is owner, or this like owner business, or this country, the country, the cities, the government. Question number 2, guys. What is your opinion about animals being kept in zoos? I feel pity about these animals, definitely, because their lives, they're just under control, under strict control in zoos. They're supposed to spend the entire days, entire years being kept in this zoo's cage. Sometimes they don't have enough space, don't have enough freedom to walking, to moving, this like obviously. And yeah, it depends on conditions, exactly about the country, or how rich this is zoo, and how good conditions they are. Do you think zoos could be improved? I've never ever actually thought about improving the zoos, because in general we already have really good ideas, like nature reserves, like national parks, when you can go to the real native environment for these animals, and you like a guest there in their home. This is a really good idea, instead of keeping animals in the cage in the zoos. So about zoos, no idea, guys, actually. Do you think is it important to conserve the world's animal species? Guys, absolutely, this is crucial, important. I don't think that this first of all the planet of animals, because animals were appeared in this planet before humans, so like it even more they home than us. And if we will destroy them, kill them for sales or for some business, or just to eat, to I don't know, to have fun, yeah, we have to definitely remember about this, to conserve as more species of animals as possible. Not even only about animals, about all the environment, about nature, about trees, oceans, fish, everything, absolutely. What is your opinion on poaching? What is poaching, guys? 100% I had poaching. I had these smugglers who kill animal and sell. I don't even support legal killing animals. I don't support even not all kind of killing animals and destroying the environment. So poaching, no doubts, we can't justify it. There's no way to justify poaching. Alright, guys, thank you for being here. Absolutely. This is the number 40 already been. Good long challenge. Yeah, I feel progress. I hope you make progress also, who support and who watch this. Oh, I wanna sleep. Oh, yeah, guys, yeah. Thank you, bye-bye, guys. See you tomorrow.